recording, you guys.
Ano yan?
Smile.
Ano yan?
Bitch, go on the side. Just as I thought. Somebody take a photo.
Ako kasi ito.
Did you take a photo?
No, I took a video.
Bakit siya ba ganito?
Let's go nightmare.
Easy, hard, or nightmare?
Nightmare.
Hard lang because I like it hard.
Look at Mary on the
Wow,
easy.
guys.
We can literally say that that's easy.
Sorry, Willa. Oh, ano yun? I thought you liked it hard.
We have to go like. I got a phone call from an old friend of mine.
Old friend of mine.
Said something about.
It says something about going to some hotel out here.
He wants me to
He wants me
investigate
to
the
investigate the
basement
basement of the
for a high
place for a high
payment, so we'll do it.
payment. We'll do it.
Alright, here I am.
Alright,
Well,
here
yeah.
I am.
My friend told me
My
that the
friend told me
basement is
that the
locked.
basement is locked.
Thankfully, I brought a hacking tool.
Thankfully, I brought a hacking tool.
Welcome to Oakdeer Inn.
Welcome to Oak Deer Inn. Are you looking to book a night?
To book a night, yes.
Yes. Wonderful.
Why the antlers?
By the atlas. You have to wear them around visitors. It's a policy thing. Would you like the premium stay or the basic? Premium stays can grant many great perks such as access to the gym.
The basic will do.
Alright, you'll be in room 17.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy your stay.
Anong room nga tayo? 17, no? Oh my god.
17.
Anong floor?
17, yung HE Allen.
Ew!
Oh, I don't know.
O ito.
Ang asim. OMG.
1 to 16 man yan. Mary, that's 1 to 16.
Yeah, diretso lang nata yan.
I want to run.
Never mind.
I don't like how I can see those
Sabi ko lagi sa'yo.
3 hearts. I don't like those 3 hearts above the screen. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Place the hacker on the...
Three chances
Anong
My,
place the
there's a
hacker?
camera here.
Place the hacker on the basement though. Parang
Yui,
basement
oh,
though.
So do we have to go?
Yui, OMG, this is the girl Yui's Alda been sleeping with.
Shut up! Oh my god!
Peaceful. She even said it was peaceful because she literally got railed onto one of those things.
Abi. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, we're
literally down. Ito, oh, we're going to go to the upper floor.
Go in.
Basement, ground floor, floor number 1. No, number
Bakit?
two.
I don't like that music.
I'm not sure no.
I don't like how the music went.
I don't
quiet.
like that ambience.
Bakit
The
nalito
OBS 17.
Uy, guys! Thank you!
Ulo ka na lock si Mary.
Mary,
Bye,
oh my
Mary.
god. It's okay. Teleport ka lang mamaya.
Oh my god, what is that anomaly? Charot.
Where? Huh? I really hate that view.
Hello?
I really hate that, that
It's
Ang ina,
always,
bro,
it's
then
always
say
those
that
inns
you,
or hotels with the most surreal backrooms like aesthetic, you guys.
Sana book,
yeah.
guys.
Oh my god, one of us has to share a bed. That's crazy.
Guys, I'm
I'm
sleeping
sharing a bed
on
with Mary.
Dito ako mag-sleep. Yeah, you guys should stay there. Ako dito sa may sa corner because it's more safer, you guys. Baka
I
kung
like
ano,
the
Yeah, I'm
corner.
sleeping with Mary.
Baka
Survive!
ano-
What do you mean survive? Ano gawin natin?
What?
Ano na
What do we do?
What?
I wasn't listening. Huh?
Huh?
No, survive.
Oh,
What do we do?
Ano yan? What the vent
What
above?
do we do?
Huh?
What's going on? Where's the vent?
Bastos, mga hayop.
Dude, what do we do?
We should go up.
Like we said, there's a manual. A message to you.
Oh,
My
no.
name's Angel. My master summoned me to kill.
Wow.
But what he doesn't know is
no,
I
no,
ended up in the unconscious. Some of that I'm not reading that all.
So this down here.
Cameras, good
By the way, unfortunately, our
It's wherever
guys
they
still
go, it can
at the
depend
I
what
know
to
you want to
expect.
learn more about what is happening.
Me. I know the remote in the room whenever the Ano yun? Oy!
Ante, ano yan? Pasok siguro.
Right here.
Pasok siguro sa vent.
You get off the light.
Guys, nasa vent ako.
Guys,
I'm
ano ko dito?
like,
Peek, peek. Peek, peek.
I can't see
Kayo dito sa
anything.
dias, sa may door banda. Sa may door banda, peek kayo dito. So, peek here. Yeah.
How do I peek?
That is horrifying. I don't like
How do I
that.
How do I peek?
Wala po.
How do I peek? How do I peek?
We need to read the manual.
There's
What?
what I'm gonna
Ano
read the
yan?
manual, guys. Shenyin. The Shenyin can open a neighboring vent.
What?
Did you hear vent? I died.
I died.
I was reading about
Shenyin
that.
has captured Wow.
I was reading about that
Wala,
thing
hanggang
just
sa
now.
taas.
I was reading about that too. Wait, free revive though, guys. Oh, free
Meron
revive.
lang tayong ano,
Ayun.
ilang lives.
Ano yun? Di, basahin niyo
Gonna
good mo na
free
yun.
revive.
Dapat kasi basahin muna ang manual.
Okay, I'm gonna read it.
Okay,
My
that's
name is Angel. My master summoned me to kill, but what she doesn't know is I ended up in the pool. But the
I
ugly
think
did
sa
in
janitor.
a bad way.
If you are in the janitor room, then the Shenyan can open it.
I know
Oh my
you
god,
know.
I'm done.
How do I? I thought,
Ano daw,
If you
wait,
hear
wait.
scratching from
Hindi ko
under,
talaga
leave the
narinig.
bed immediately. I'm
If
gonna
this
turn
happens,
on my
enter the vent
music.
you came from and retreat back to your room and hide. If you hear vent sounds, then hide. Where do you hide? If you're in the janitor
The
room,
bed daw,
then
you're-
you can open a neighboring vent. If this happens, kapag nasa janitor room daw siya, pwede siya magpunta sa vent. If this happens,
Oh
enter
yeah,
the vent
so we
you
have
came
to go
from.
to the janitor room
Huh?
no.
to
No.
fix the breaker box.
Oh.
The radio beside
Turn
it.
off the lights before hiding under the bed, so we can only hide under the bed.
Ay, okay. So the radio beside it can suddenly produce sound and play music. If this happens, hide in the bathroom or somewhere you cannot see the inside of the closet. Turn off the lights before hiding under the bed.
Hell
This
no,
ensures your
hell.
survival. The Shenyan can flip off the breaker box. Before
I'm so
entering the room,
confused
go
on
to
paano
the
gawin
janitor
yung
room and
ano
enter the
vent.
solution. The vent rest tunnel is your only path into the janitor room. Whenever the Shenyan enters.
So if we turn on the TV, I guess doon na mag-start yung ano. Okay, if we turn on the TV, mag-start na siya, be.
Ah, may camera pala dito. I just noticed that. No, wala pa. Saan daw makatago sa bed?
Sa bed because I don't know how to navigate around the bed.
The Shenyan can flip off the breaker. Itong Shenyan ang nakakalito. Then the Shenyan can open
Okay,
the
gani.
breaker. If this happens after the vent you came from and retreat back to your room. Wait lang, punta nga tayo dito.
So good.
So ito yung
So,
vent.
wala ba
There's
nag-start
somewhere
ba?
you cannot see the inside of the
Go daw tayo
the
dyan.
remote.
Ay, lakad
Check
tayo
ko lang
bakit
yung...
ganyan? Oh my god, I don't like that at all.
Bakit?
Saan kayo? Yung
Punta kayo sa
vent?
Punta kayo sa vent eh.
Gani, I don't know how to I can't enter kasi ikaw nandyan. One by one lang.
Wala ka te, oh my god, ayoko talaga niyan as in. Wala ka, nasa janitor
Okay, ano
room
yun?
ako, te.
Ano yung tsura?
I can't enter kasi nandyan pa si Zylas. Isa-isa lang talaga.
Hala kapag magbalik
So,
ako
ano
talaga
ganito?
naka ano siya, nakaganyan. ko, Lord. Ayoko magpunta sa vent. Somebody volunteer. I don't volunteer.
Wala mo.
Ayoko din kasi I don't know how it works.
Mag-press ka lang ng W, tapos to go back sa room, press mo lang S. W to go to janitor room, tapos S naman to go back here.
I'm not going to the janitor room. You go to the janitor room.
I'm not going to the janitor room. Mary, you go to the janitor room.
I'm not going there, Mary. You go now. You're the oldest.
No.
You're the oldest.
No.
Dude, why is that thing so rusty?
So, tama na siya.
Funny.
If
It's
you
like,
are in the janitor room, the Shenyan can open a neighboring vent. If this happens, enter the vent you came from and retreat back to your room and hide.
okay,
wait
so
lang.
ano nga yun?
Go, Yui. Tira mo daw kung merong closet doon. Hindi ko na mo-on ng TV, te.
Oh, hell no! Oh my God, ano to?
I don't wanna go there, exactly.
Sige na, puntahan ko na. Huwag mo yung on TV ha. Sige.
On ko na yung TV, te.
Huwag ba?
Hindi on ba?
Huwag pa. Sige, gore.
Okay, I'm in
Balik
the
ka
janitor's
tingnan
closet.
ko.
Wait, ano, grabe good ka, ano. It's so... Okay,
Weird.
S so pabalik, but like,
Oo.
can I turn around?
I don't think you can. Ganyan talaga yan siya, te. So you can see it like chasing you back. I don't like that.
Sige,
Ang wait lang.
kapani ka lang. Gaya ka ng naka-global.
You have to press it in the, i-press mo talaga or i-hold mo lang.
Press. Try mo daw i-hold. Pwede ba i-hold?
Yes.
Ako, gi-hold ko, hindi siya gagana, kaya gina-press ko lang. I really don't like the vent system.
Oh, this is bad. Mas bad sa mobile. I have to like, ang tagal-tagal niya pa. Ang tagal-tagal niya. Like 1 millisecond.
Ikaw na
5
yung may
seconds.
magandang
Sabi ko, pangit sa akin. Naka-mobile ako.
I smell ball.
Am I here already? Oh.
So,
If
Hindi
you
ko
hear
naman
vent
kabalik
sounds daw.
Mary, may
Ano nga
closet
gawin
dyan.
ko may ano?
Can you hide doon sa janitor room?
Walang closet. There's a breaker switch na ladder dito sa closet.
The closet. The radio beside it can suddenly produce sound and play music. If this happens, hide in the bathroom or somewhere you cannot see the inside of the closet. The bathroom.
Makita naman natin yung laman ng closet.
Oh, ayoko yung plan ng galaw sa vent.
Ayoko yung parang dugo-dugo sa vent. Doon ako natatakot eh.
I don't like the way that we walk, like parang the way we crawl in the vent. Like,
yun
it's so slow, it gives me anxiety.
The camera movie, especially sa mga turns, so mag-turn ka. Ayoko doon.
Turn off the lights before hiding under the bed as it ensures your survival. The Shenyan, if you are in the janitor room, then the Shenyan can open a neighboring vent. If this happens, enter the vent you came from and retreat back to your room and hide. If you hear a vent sound, then hide. What will we do if the Shenyan gets into our room?
I don't know, I think we're dead.
Whenever the Shenyan enters, they will crawl to your room. If you are in there, then retreat as fast as possible. What? Whenever the Shenyan enters, then they will crawl to your room. If you are there, then retreat as fast as possible. Ay, pag nasa vent ka daw, retreat as fast as possible.
Kahit nasa ilalim ang air conditioning, that's weird.
Hindi ko na... What? Anong mangyayari if nandito si Shenyan?
If nandito si Shenyan. Mary, saan mo nakita yung cameras? Where's the camera, Mary?
Naka-mobile ako din. Nakita ko sa cam.
Ay, baka ano, baka like... Ay, ano siya, te?
Oh, C. Press C.
Okay.
Di ba talaga?
Okay guys, are you ready?
Roy, put
Ay.
it down.
Letter
Ay,
T
put
sa
it
akin.
down.
Letter T siya, te. Letter T.
Yeah, but like, how do I put it down?
Letter T ulit.
T? T sa'yo? Ay, okay. T din sa akin. Never mind.
Are you ready?
Wait lang.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Hindi ako na ready.
Kailangan mag-review muna tayo, be. Review.
Okay, so anong gagawin pag nandito si Shanyin?
Off the light,
We
sabi
hide.
ko kami.
Paano natin malaman nandito siya? Ay, dapat no pag may vent noise. Okay, pag may vent noise. Anong
May
gagawin niya?
like last time nahulog na siya dito.
That's horrifying. We will close this door.
But like, we have to
Mag-worry
hide
ka.
in the bathroom. Kasi
Pag
kung mag-open
Wow.
tong, kasi kung mag-make daw ng sounds yung radio, we have to hide in the bathroom.
Or under the bed.
Oh.
Kung saan di daw makita yung inside ng closet.
It's so wide open though. What could be in there?
What do you mean? Hindi makita
I'm just gonna hide in the bathroom.
I'm gonna hide.
So
under
kung
the bed.
static daw yung TV, hanapin daw natin yung remote. Kasi I think it's gonna be randomized and like hidden all around.
That's horrifying. Then something's gonna come out like Sadako or something, you guys.
So, i-open ko lang to ha.
Nag-start natin.
Okay guys, dito kayo, tingnan nyo dito yung sa vent. Louie, tingnan mo dito sa door, and I'll check the camera.
Ano pala meron sa door, be? Anong gawin sa door?
Yeah, nandun lang siya.
Wala ko, unti.
Oh,
Nag-blur ang camera.
Okay. Okay, position ka na sa light, just in case na
Nawala yung babae, Zay. Nawala.
Nawala.
I see the thing.
What thing?
Nawala.
palapit siya guys.
Bakit nawawala yung camera?
No.
Hindi
Be!
ko masyado marinig yung noise.
Girl, papunta na siya. OMG, nasa Cam 4.
Okay, wait ako muna. Kung rinig tayo ng...
It's running
noise.
towards something.
Wait lang.
Guys.
Anything? Oh.
Wait, what is that?
I'm hiding.
Nagtago na ako. Nandiyan na siya. Ay,
Nagtago na ako.
OMG, ako din. Nagtago na ako, guys. Nagtago or
So when do we get out?
Hindi, calm guys, calm.
Ikaw makakampag tumatago ka, te.
Sorry, that's so.
Guys, paano natin malaman?
Okay, nawala
yung
na?
ano dyan? Tingnan mo daw, Yui.
Malak ko. I'm gonna die.
Who turned off the...
Power?
Alam, off ang lights, guys.
Be, papunta na ata siya dito.
Are you guys still hiding?
Oo.
Oh.
See, if we hear touching, we have to get out.
Nag-alis na ako, te. We have to... Tago. Papunta siya, te.
Narinig ko yun.
Jesus Christ.
Narinig. Ew, what the heck's that?
Yui, ikaw first doon sa sa vent. Tapos ako na next, promise. Ay, hala ka, Yui, kamukha ni Ale. Oh my God.
What if na-on yung flashlight? Ano, hindi makita. Ano, naka-on? Ano? Nag-alis na siya.
See, it's gone. Ako na? Ako?
Oo, ikaw na, go!
No.
OMG!
I have to read.
Yan o, magkama ka.
Kayo ba?
Oo. Bilisan mo doon, Yui, ha? Kasi ano yan siya? Mag-enter yan siya sa neighboring vent, tapos sabulin ka niya, so you have to come back really fast as soon as you turn it on.
Dailas, tingnan mo ko dyan, Dailas. Tingnan mo lang yung vent. I'm gonna look sa camera.
Okay.
Ano bang cam yung sa janitor?
Hindi ko din alam.
Wala siya. I don't see. Wala siya. Nowhere. Wala siya sa mga cam.
Please.
Is it on?
Please.
Wala siya dito.
Please.
Wala siya dito sa door.
Hindi nag-static ang TV. Ah, is it on? Oh my God.
Ano mangyari kung nag-static ang TV? Okay, guys.
Hanapin ang remote.
Kung static, we have to hide in the bathroom,
Saan ang
okay?
remote?
Hanapin natin. Hanapin pa natin.
Ay, wala pa siya dito? Ay, pag radio sa, ano tayo?
Pag radio sa bathroom, pag nag-static yung TV, hanapin ang remote. Where is the damn remote?
What
Ano yun?
is the scratching noise? Tago ata siguro. Or wag lang
Oh no, that's a
magtago.
scratching from the bed.
Tapos, anong gagawin niyo?
Oo. Pag nakatawa ka sa
No
bed,
lang, just
alis
get
ka
out
diretso.
the bed lang daw.
Ay, okay,
Okay,
so we can
tara,
go back
basta.
there.
No. What's that?
Wait.
Ay, naka-off ang lights. Is that okay?
Ako nag-off lang that kasi like paranoid ako masyado. Baka like kapasok pala yun siya tay OMG.
Who's checking the cameras?
He's gonna turn off the power.
Wala.
Guys, tago, 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 tago. I hear
Bakit?
groaning.
Hindi na siya?
Alis! Bed! Tago!
You guys are blocking the ano, wala ka nakita.
Oh my god!
Ayoko na, te.
This is so scary.
Kamukha. Si
Ano
Ali
ba
man,
niya?
si Ali man yan, Yui. Kamukha ni Ali.
Hello ba? Ano nga yan? Good! Diba? Ano? Hater you ba? What is wrong with you?
Hashtag number 1 Ali hater.
Wala na siya?
Okay, wala na siya.
Wala na.
Ako naman.
Ay, last, ikaw sunod ha. Yun ba? Sabi
Oh my
mo, why
God.
is the TV off?
Off?
Why is the TV?
Na-off na?
Why is it off?
I'm so scared.
Oh, naka-off ang ano. Ayan mo,
Ay,
Zayla, sa
lang,
buhay
Harry,
na una ha. Ikaw na naman. Mary.
What if pagpasok
Hold me,
sa
Mary,
janitor,
hold me.
nandyan siya? Ito, Yui, check yan.
It's
Pagkita ko
hot.
sa glass.
I'm gonna check the
Ayun.
cameras. Cam 8 is offline. Wait, offline cam 8 and 9. 8 to 10 offline, babe.
I'm scared. How long do we have to survive here?
Anything?
I don't know. Do I have...
Di, on naman yung dilo siya.
I know, I think we have to get this to like 5,000 or 10,000.
What?
Just checking the cameras.
Nobody
Wala.
important ba na yung ang camera?
Di, guys, peek kayo sa glass, guys.
I don't see it.
Okay. Uy,
Uy, bathroom!
Oh my god, so what was that thing?
I lost
I-
my
Sige
heart.
ko.
I died.
Girl,
Ano sa house?
Yui literally died.
How did you die? How did you...
Yung,
I don't know. How did I die?
died. How did I die?
I am not
How did I
dead yet.
die?
Paano ako
I'm
namatay?
reviving.
Ako din, mag-revive ako.
We have to wait until the game has ended. Hi, Zylas.
Buhay palagi ako. Oh, I
Get your
think you
ass
need to
off my
hide sa...
face.
I think you need to hide sa very corner.
Girl, saan tayo, Yui? Ano to?
I think we're in the purgatory.
Guys, guys, wala akong marinig, guys.
Mary, we can't spectate you right now. Kaya mo yan, be.
Yeah, I'm stuck inside this thing over here.
I'm stuck inside
Marinig
this.
ba ka? Ay,
Wait.
wala akong marinig.
Mary, hide under the bed,
Oh.
OMG.
Mary!
No, it's the TV remote. Karin,
Ay,
magpakamatay na ako. Yeah, I can't find the remote. Jump kill me. Anong remote? Ay, ayan. I did it.
okay. Ano ba to? Why can't we spectate?
Honey, we have to wait until the game has ended.
Kamukha yan ni Ale.
Marinig.
Ilong daw, be? Guys, I literally love him. Why are you guys like this?
Yo.
Joey, shut up. Wala marinig, Joey.
Okay.
That was brutal.
Stop hating, guys.
How long do I have to wait?
So, yeah.
Ano niya sa
Yeah.
closet, Joey?
Girl, parang may vent na ganap.
In the closet, you have to hide somewhere na hindi daw makita yung inside ng closet.
Why?
Parang nasa vent pa siya, te.
Oo. I heard it. Yeah.
I can't see anything, bitch. Oh my god.
How do I know about the closet?
May ano yung radio if it plays static or music.
Huh? Okay, so that means ay baka nakita niyo yung ano, Ay, you know what? I'm gonna leave you guys.
Mary, I hear the vent. Hide.
Yeah, nag-guide na ako. Pag mag-static, I think namatay kayo kasi malapit kayo doon.
Namatay si Mary.
No, alas.
Ay, bakit ka nag-leave?
Hey,
Ayoko na.
leave.
Ayoko na.
Okay, ibang game guys. Ayaw ka na.
You guys are giving
Ay, wala
up
akong
this
magagawa.
easily? Shut up.
Mas maganda pag